Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace ready. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for easy access to the repair process. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and unplug it from any power source. To avoid any static damage, put on your anti-static wrist strap. Next, locate the screws securing the laptop's back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious around the edges to prevent any damage. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery. For safety, disconnect the battery by removing the connector. This prevents any electrical issues while you work on the screen. Now, locate the display assembly. You will find more screws holding the screen in place. Remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to note their positions as you'll need to replace them later. If you find it difficult to reach some screws, consider using a magnetic tip screwdriver for better control. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the assembly. Be careful with the display cable attached to the motherboard. Disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of the connector. If you're unsure, consult the service manual for your model. At this point, you have successfully removed the damaged screen. Take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft, lint-free cloth. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and other issues. If you require assistance with cleaning or have no time, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in top shape. Now, take your new screen and align it with the display assembly. Carefully connect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it fits snugly. Before securing the screen, you may want to test it by powering on the laptop briefly to check for functionality. If everything looks good, power off the laptop again and proceed to reattach the screen by securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the screen is aligned correctly with no gaps. Once the screen is secured, reconnect the battery by plugging in the connector. Now, place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace all screws to secure the back panel in place. Remember, no calls, no travel. Our services can help you with any issues encountered during this process. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and admire your new screen. If you experience any problems or prefer to have the repair done professionally, we offer a quote before repair to keep you informed of the costs involved. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.